Google just dropped something that could change the way we create video forever. It's called VEO. And yes, it's powered by AI. But what is Google VEO? And why is everyone suddenly talking about it? In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what it is, how it works, and whether this is the potential future of video production as we know it. So Google VEO is Google's new AI video generation model. It takes text prompts, just like you'd use in ChatGPT or Midjourney, and turns them into realistic, cinematic quality videos. And we're talking stunning lighting, camera motions, smooth transitions, and dynamic scenes. To the point at first glance, you really can't tell if it's real or not. Google calls it their most powerful generative video model to date. It can handle long, coherent shots and understand complex prompts, including scene changes, character actions, and emotions. The thing is, up to this point, we've not really had an AI video generation model that creates scenes quite as realistic as this. At first glance, you can't really tell the difference between if it's AI or real or not. Obviously, if you look at it in quite a lot of detail, you can probably pick up on some things that you might notice, but this is what it looks like now. It won't be long till it's indistinguishable from reality, and that's quite a scary thing. So how does it actually work? So you give VEO a text prompt, and in seconds, it generates a video that looks like it was shot by a pro filmmaker. So it uses transformer-based architecture trained on large data sets of video, motion, and image-text pairs. Basically, it learns the rhythm of real video, camera angles, natural movement, even atmospheric detail. VEO can also edit and extend existing footage, making it useful for content creators and marketers and businesses, and even filmmakers. And now, why is VEO making headlines? Well, partly because they just released VEO 3, but the most obvious reason why it's generating such a buzz is because of its realism. I mean, the quality is crazy. Just looking at these clips here, it's a huge jump up from what we've already seen, as I mentioned earlier. Also, the speed of it as well is insane. So VEO can create full video sequences in a fraction of the time it takes to film and edit manually. It gives you creative freedom. If you want to shoot in Paris but you can't afford the flight, well, describe it and VEO will bring it to life. The accessibility of it as well is quite a huge thing because pretty much anybody can use it. I think it's currently only being trialed in the US at the minute, but obviously it will be rolled out eventually to the rest of the world. But you don't need the camera, you don't need the crew, you just need to be able to type in a prompt. The thing is as well, is in this space, the competition is heating up. OpenAI's Sora would be the competitor to this, and this is Google's answer to video creation for AI. If we compare VEO and Sora though, we'll be able to find some differences. So both VEO and Sora produce stunning results, but VEO seems to edge ahead in coherent motion and realism, while Sora focuses more on scene composition and surreal visuals, while VEO leans into cinematic storytelling. If we compare VEO to Runway, Runway is essentially great, fast, stylized video, but VEO clearly offers more advanced, film-like quality. And VEO handles longer sequences with more consistent detail. So yeah, it's a scary leap towards AI-powered filmmaking. But what does this mean for creators? If you're a content creator, editor, filmmaker, or marketer, VEO could change everything. It's a tool that lets anyone bring professional ideas to life, no gear or crew required. It raises big questions about the ethics of using this, big questions about creativity. Where do regular content creators stand in relation to this? Does this mean that everything on the internet will be created by AI soon? Because it is kind of going that way. On the plus side, there's so much potential here, where we're all going to kind of get dragged kicking and screaming, whether we like it or not, into this new internet age that is completely saturated with AI content. Or maybe it will just be a tool to help existing content creators to create what they want to create, but easier and without budget. But it's a real tricky one, so let me know what you think in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and follow the link down below to support me on Patreon, and I'll see you in the next one.